Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play True Love Ways on guitar. Start with the C major chord, placing your fingers on the first, second, and third frets. Transition to a minor, then F major, and finally G major. Focus on clean, ringing notes for each chord. Practice these 4 chords slowly, aiming for seamless changes. This foundation is crucial for mastering the song's melody and rhythm. The strumming pattern for True Love Ways is a gentle down, down, up, up, down. Keep your wrist relaxed and your strumming hand light. Aim for a consistent, flowing rhythm that complements the song's romantic feel. Practice this pattern with each chord, ensuring a smooth and even sound. A steady tempo is key to capturing the song's essence. True Love Ways primarily follows a simple verse-chorus structure. Both the verses and choruses utilize the same 4-chord progression: C, a minor, F, and G major. You'll repeat this sequence throughout the song. Pay attention to the lyrical cues to know when to transition between sections. This consistent progression makes the song accessible and enjoyable to play. To truly master True Love Ways, listen to the original recording to internalize its feel and timing. Practice with a metronome to develop a rock-solid rhythm. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to focused practice, concentrating on clean chord changes and smooth transitions. Remember, consistency is more important than long, infrequent sessions. Enjoy the process of bringing this classic to life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.